What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I'm going to do something different today. As y'all guys know, I've been talking about One UI stock camera apps not having Pro mode. In this video, I'm going to put Filmic Pro, which I already have Filmic Pro on this device, which is my Galaxy Note 9. And I'm going to use the stock camera app on the Galaxy Note 9. Yeah, I got Galaxy Note 10s, but One UI is One UI. Camera lenses is the same thing on this device and this device. I didn't see any difference. So I'm going to do it on both of these devices. So in this video, I'm going to use Filmic Pro in Pro mode, and I'm going to show you the difference between the stock camera app, which is One UI with no Pro mode, and Pro mode here on this device to see the difference. It lets you see the difference between what I'm seeing using Pro mode and stock mode on the Galaxy devices. So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready. I got a lot of S Pens over there. And I'm filming with a Galaxy Note 10. Wow. And follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is Eric back with another video. So I'm doing something different today. I'm using a stock camera app on the Galaxy Note 9, and I'm using Filmic Pro on the Galaxy Note 9 on the other Galaxy Note 9, and this is the front-facing camera. What I want to demonstrate here is the difference between Pro mode and stock camera app. And Filmic Pro is a professional software designed for cell phones to give you that professional look. Now, again, I got two of the same devices, and what I want to show you guys is the difference, and one of the reasons why I like to have a professional software when I'm filming. As you can know, when I go into a dark area, as you can see, the background is being blown out here on the stock camera app, and on Filmic Pro, it's keeping everything pretty much consistent. And when I get into the lights, as you can see, it's making adjustments. Listen, man, to me, I don't like that. It's a no-go. I like the consistency. I like the white balance, shutter speed to stay the same. Even if I go into different environments, I like everything to stay the same. And this is one of the biggest things that I like when filming, especially out here in the sun and stuff like that. It's an overcast sky, so I don't have any sun right now. But if I point the device towards the sun, you're going to see some flickering and some white balance and some things like that, as you can see right here. And I'm starting to feel some raindrops. So I want to show you the difference between stock camera app and Filmic Pro. And I'm going to go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the difference between Filmic Pro and the stock camera app. This was a requested video. I figured I'd do it because I think it's important for people to see the difference between having stock camera apps versus professional camera apps. So I'm going to go to the rear camera, and I'm going to show you some footage with the auto and professional camera app. All right, guys, so I just want to show you a quick clip on the difference between Pro mode and auto mode on 2 Galaxy devices, the same phones, the Galaxy S9s. And I wanted to show you guys the difference, and it is a big difference, especially when you're looking at the white balance kicking in and everything kind of changing when you kind of move it around between a dark space and a light space. Also the audio, you let me know down in the comments below how the audio and the video look here. And look, here's the thing, I'm not going to do no color grading with both of these phones. Only thing I'm just going to do is just put them down in the timeline and just put them together, and I'm going to let y'all guys see for yourself the difference between using a third-party professional app in Filmic Pro versus the native camera app at One UI, which is the Galaxy native camera app, which is auto mode. You can't make no adjustments at all, and it's a shame because I do like the optics of the Galaxy devices, but not using manual mode or pro mode, it makes a big difference. So I just wanted to make this quick video, and so y'all guys can see the difference between using the professional software side by side, using auto mode and the professional software like Filmic Pro. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about both of these devices in action. See you guys on the next video. Woo. Peace. And this is the rear camera. This is the rear camera. And it's an overcast sky. And yes, overcast sky. No sunlight today, but I still wanted to film this video. Peace.